Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install SHEIN shopping app from Google Play Store. If you've been trying to install this app and perhaps you can't install it because of one reason or another, then follow the steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So in the first method, you need to go to your Google Play Store, and from your Google Play Store app, just make sure you are logged in before you try to install the app. However, if you are already logged in but unable to install the app, then go to your profile icon here on your Play Store app. And from here, if you click on your profile icon, go down to settings. From settings, look for this network preferences option, and under it, go to app download preference. Here, change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download and install apps from Google Play Store via any network or the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and now head straight and search for your SHEIN app, and you should be able to install. However, if you still can't install at this point, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store, and you can simply do this by going to Play Store app info page. And the simplest way is just long press on your Play Store app if you're on your Android smartphone, and you should see app info option here. If you're missing this, you should have a settings gear here or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, first force stop the app by tapping on this, and once you have force stop, this will stop Google Play Store from running any activities in the background that might be hindering installation or downloading of SHEIN app. Then you need to go to this clear data option and choose clear cache. By clearing cache, you will clear any residues or files that Play Store normally collects to enhance user experience but causes the app to malfunction when they accumulate. At this point, just restart your smartphone now and go back to Google Play Store, and once you have opened it, now search for your app. So I'll search for SHEIN shopping app like that, just SHEIN, and I'll be taken to SHEIN shopping app here. And now I can try to install and see if the problem has been fixed. As you can see now, I'm able to download and install this app. However, if you still can't download the app at this point, then you need to check if you have enough space on your smartphone, and you can do that by clearing unused or unwanted apps, as well as media files such as images and videos that you no longer need, and clear trash on your smartphone before you try to install SHEIN shopping app. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.